Hey sophomores, in this video we'll be talking about how to write a research paper. There are 9 basic steps that we'll go through individually to help you better understand the process. The first step is to identify and develop your topic. Make sure the topic you choose is within the parameters of the assignment and it's something that you're interested in and want to learn more about. The next step is to do preliminary research and see what information is out there. If there's not enough information available, you might want to tweak your topic to make sure you have enough sources you can cite. Once you figure out if there's enough information out there, you're going to start locating your materials. As an ITA student, you have access to the UW-Madison library systems, which includes access to online articles, papers, books, anything like that. The next step is to evaluate any sources that you find using the CARS checklist. The link to what the CARS checklist is below this video in Canvas, so make sure you check that out. As a reminder, CARS stands for credibility, accuracy, reasonableness, and support. Once you find some credible sources, you're going to start taking notes. So make sure you document everything that you're looking at, including the author, title, publisher, URL, and any other information that you might be required to put in a bibliography. Alright, now you're going to write your paper. Start with an outline, a kind of rough idea of what your paper is going to look like, and then write your rough draft based on that. Make sure you take breaks, get some mental clarity, and then go back and revise as many times as you need until you're happy with your paper. Next, make sure you cite your sources. Citing your sources has 2 purposes. The first is to give credit where credit is due, and it also allows those reading your paper to look at and locate the sources that you've used so they could potentially use it in their own papers. By not citing your sources, that is plagiarism, and we'll talk about plagiarism later this week. Next, you want to proofread your paper. You can do it yourself. You can ask a friend, teacher, parent, guardian, whoever. Just make sure you read through it one last time to make sure you catch any mistakes. Sometimes it does help to read your paper out loud, so make sure you're trying that as well. And the last step is to turn in your paper. Make sure you do it on time, because it'd be a shame if you went through all this and didn't get full credit because you were late. Alright, that's it for this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.